Just on my way to pick mum up and it's raining. Luckily I have a huge hood. We have arrived at Ikea. This is my mother. Hi. And we are here. I don't know what we're gonna buy. Maybe some things for the cruise today. Mum is an Ikea pro. Sorting out our bags. This is the kind of wardrobe organisation I need.
I just wish there was enough room on the ship, to be honest. Such nice decorations in here, seriously. I want one of these Ikea people to come and do my place when I get one.
Smile. So cute. It's Diddy. Oh, for under 515 is alright though.
Sleep.
Mum's gone to bed.
Such unique decor. I'm loving the music in this one though.
So Mum's decided she's getting this. And she's going to get the dogs a bed.
You know, one of my favourite things to do is open the drawers in Ikea and see what's inside. It's a mystery and it's so organised. Love it. Feels weird like you're stepping into people's houses though. Being a bit nosy. I definitely want a nice outdoor area when I do end up getting a place. Lots of plants, I think, so long as I can keep them alive. But it looks so nice. I think I need to save up a lot of money for everything I want in a house, to be honest. I want too much. I don't know how I'm not going to buy the store, to be honest, today. But I need to remember I'm going on a cruise, so I can't. I need to think I have a tiny cabin, and there is only a certain amount. I can't buy things for a living room, or kitchen, or anything.
I got the meatballs and the cheesecake, and Mum got a tiny kiddie portion of meatballs and a cheesecake and some coffee. So we're going down to the marketplace, and I'm kind of scared for my mum's purse because this is where she has some problems. Mum is losing her mind already. She's contemplating a rug. That's huge. And I think I've lost her to the shop.
Thinking, would that fit in a Fiat?
Would that fit? Would that fit in a Fiat? That's not going to go in my car. I have a Fiat 500. Wish me luck.
Mum has caved. We've gone through a load of rooms and she's gone back for the rug. Hopefully it looks nice. I'm sure it will do. I'll probably show you what it looks like in her living room. Blah, blah, blah. I can't speak. I'll show you what it looks like in her living room when she's put everything there.
She's got the rug. What? She's got the rug. This is gonna somehow fit in my car.
I've lost Mum. Well, I've not lost her. We got in the lift. Well, she couldn't fit in the lift with her rug. And we needed to come back up to floor 4 to get the desk thing that I want. I'll show you at the end of the video, like a haul of everything. But yeah, I'm waiting for her to manage to get in a lift to get back up to me. Ah, there's only one lift working, not helpful. We are back home from our Ikea trip. Awkward on the way back. I was determined to get into what I thought was my car, and it wasn't my car, and I wondered why it wasn't opening, and I'm yanking the handle. It's the same Fiat 500, but mine has different coloured wheels, so I found mine in the end after trying to break into somebody's car by accident. And now we are home and Mum is unrolling her rug. With great passion. Woo! We have rug instructions for some reason. It's a rug. Yay. Just gonna show you what we got today at Ikea. I may show you what Mum's got in her hand if she can figure it out. You got it?
It should be simple.
But it's not.
I think I'm just being stupid.
We'll come back to that one. Obviously the rug, doorstop for Mum. Stop the wind coming in. She's getting there with her trolley basket thing, I don't know. Oh, it's clicking. Wait, it's clicking. We could be getting there. Are we? Yay, I'm gonna go together. Somehow. Okay, we're almost there. Mum was unbelievably happy with this. What'd you say it's called again?
Lazy Susan.
A Lazy Susan. Would you like me to help you?
Hey, I'm fine. I can help this out.
When she saw this, she was unbelievably excited because she said she's always wanted one. So she got one. She got a cheese grater because apparently she only had a small one. And I know myself, when she cooks cauliflower cheese, like 2 blocks of cheese go in there, needs a gigantic grater. She got one of these containers, which, what are you going to be putting in this, Mum?
Cereals.
Cereals is going to go in.
It's exciting stuff.
So exciting. One thing she bought biscuits especially for is the new biscuit jar. Woo.
Not that they last long enough to go in the jar.
They don't. Mum eats a lot of biscuits and I'm surprised she doesn't look like a biscuit, to be honest with you. What else did she get? She got another jar. What's going in this one? Things.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti jar. There's lots of jars going on here. What's going on? She's done it. Wait. Woo. That thing. Don't know what that's going to be used for, but she bought it. Oh. She got some lolly, make a stick things. what do they call them? I don't know, it just says up. They're lolly stick maker things. Boring stuff here. Bowl, sieve. Apparently she didn't have these things in the kitchen.
Oh, I've got bowls. I just needed another one.
She has bowls, but she needed another one.
Opens lids on the jars.
Opens lids on jars.
You need those as you get old.
I looked at this and thought, what on earth are you putting in your basket? Because I didn't know what this was. But yeah, it opens jars, because apparently when you get old you can't open them. Yeah. Stand for plates and things so that she can be more organised in the kitchen. These, so apparently they're helpful for her ice lollies that she's gonna make. She also bought some smoothies on the way home to fill the ice lollies with, so she can make like ice lolly smoothie things. Jug with measurements on. Easily pourable. Can't remember what. This was specifically for something, but I can't remember what.
Yeah, I'm not actually
She
sure.
can't remember what. There was definitely something you wanted this
There
for.
was a reason I bought it.
There was a reason for this. Neither of us know why anymore.
No, can't remember.
But it's there if she needs it. And she also bought exciting wash tray. There we go. And now on to my lovely buys. Oh. Ooh. And some bags. I bought some of these as well. I don't know if you can see the picture. There you go. Oh, upside down. There we go. Resealable. I got some of these because I think they might be helpful on the ship for little bits of loose things. I don't know. Or like little food bits if I want snacks. I don't know. But I bought some anyway because they were only like £3.50 or something for 50. So not a bad price. And Mum got some too. I got 4 of these. Can't see what it is, but it's just clothes covers for the wardrobe. So I thought when I get my uniform, I can put it in these so they can stay nice in my wardrobe with the rest of my clothes. So I got 4 of those. I got just a bag, zip seal. I thought if I have space under the bed when I get on the ship, I'm not sure if I will or not, but it might be nice to store things in here. If not, I'm sure there'll be somewhere that I'll need storage for, so I just thought it might come in handy. I only got one of these, just because I don't know what it's going to be like on the ship yet, but I thought it might be useful. I got a light, a ring light. There we go. So it's really cool actually. There's a couple of like little buttons. They're not buttons, but if you like hover over them, it changes the color of the light and dulls it down and brightens it up. So I thought that would come in handy because I can't take my huge ring light on the ship, obviously. So it's just going to be cute to pop on my desk to help with lighting for videos, and obviously if I want to do things and it's dark. So that's that. And then I also bought these. I think I will add in a video of me filming the actual thing. But I'm going to get an iPad hopefully before I go on board to edit my videos on, because my laptop is quite old. So I thought I could hide it underneath, and then I'd have a drawer on top for things on my desk, and then obviously be able to use the whole of the top for desk space, so it wasn't taking up any room. If you hear something in the background, it's my mother loading her biscuit tin, because she just loves her biscuits so much. And I think I bought one more thing. Oh, bees, because I will kill normal plants. And I thought it might make my room a little bit homely on board, because obviously I will be sharing a cabin with somebody, and I know they're really tiny rooms, so I just thought I'd bring a tiny bit of cuteness and make it sort of a bit more homely. But yeah, that is our Ikea trip and our buys of the day. I'm surprised I didn't buy more. I'm not surprised that Mum bought what she did. She likes Ikea a lot. But anyway, that is everything. Stay tuned, because I will be updating you more on the ship very soon. Alright, thanks for watching guys, bye bye.